Hey guys, welcome to Agriculture World. Today we will get some information about onion storage facility in Maharashtra. As we know, onion is widely consumed vegetable in all over Maharashtra and all over country. Onion is mainly cultivated in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Karnataka, where Maharashtra take 28% share of market and also 80 to 85% of onion is export out of country, where there are three main seasons for cultivating onion crop: Kharif, late Kharif and Rabi, where Kharif crop cannot be stored more than 2 to 3 months and also have low production compared to Rabi crop, where Rabi crop can be stored up to 8 to 9 months and carries 60% production in all over annual, where it can also suitable for storage. So people mainly cultivate Rabi crop. As Rabi onion is harvested in April-May, just before monsoon, where the price is declined during this period, and after this onion starts sprouting and rotting during the rainy seasons. Due to non-availability of storage facility at farm level, farmers are forced to sell their product immediately after harvest to save their further losses. In return, the farmer get most depressed price, and the middleman in the trade get advantage of volatile price of this initial commodity. Due to low supply and high demand, the onion price get rise and affect on end consumer. So the farmers should create and get enough storage facility to store and release the onion into market immediately, so price of onion be less volatile. That will benefits both farmer and consumer, where some farmer create conventional storage which has temporary structure and need to replace after annual, and this structure cannot protect the product from seepage of humidity and leading high level of sprouting and rotting of birds. This result to in high losses of onion and neutralize the advantage of a higher price during off season. If farmer is provided proper storage facility for this important food item to reduce the post-harvest losses, the government of Maharashtra start encouraging a farmer to construct their own storage structure to provide subsidy for low-cost scientific onion storage structure. The scientific onion storage structure suggested by government protects the product by rain in rainy season. The flow of air provided by open space under the structure and between the beams protect the onion in monsoon season by humidity. Also protect spreading of rotting in onion by division and section between the structure. It has permanent structure with no need of replacement in annual, which means it saves money also. The space between the structure is given for sorting, grading and loading. In this way, the scientific structure gives benefit and reduce the loss of onion. The government of Maharashtra is providing a subsidy to a farmer at 25% of cost of construction for scientific storage for onion under the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. They provide a subsidy for structure of storage from 5 metric ton to 50 metric ton. Around 42,000 farmers have taken benefit of this subsidy. Subsidy for Kandacha up to 9.65 lakh tons of onion can be stored in this onion storage structure. We can also apply for this subsidy in MahaDBT portal. The link is given in the description, and if the form are available, you can apply it. Thank you for watching video. If you like information, please like, comment and subscribe the channel, and please comment in a box if you have any